Good morning, everyone. So, everyone is fine. Everything is all right. Okay. I hope everything is fine, and it is same with everyone that everyone should be fine only. And how we can find in nowadays by following the precautions to protect against coronavirus. Okay, we have to follow the precautions to protect ourselves from coronavirus. This safety is in our hands. ये हमारे हाथ में है. Okay, so let us come back to the work as we are doing lesson 10, reaching the age of adolescence. Okay, yesterday we have done the topic reproductive phase of life in humans. Reproductive means when their reproductive organs becomes functional. जब उनके reproductive organs जो है मेल और फीमेल के they just get mature, वो mature हो जाए. As there is the onset of puberty, there will be the maturation of the what? Female ovum or egg, you can say. Clear? As you all know that 2 ovaries are there. From each ovary, every month one egg will be released. Okay? As egg will be released, then if it fertilized, अगर fertilization हुई, fertilization क्या है? You all know very well, it is the fusion of the gametes, male and female gametes, or you can say fusion of egg and sperm. Okay, so जब उनकी अगर fusion होती है, if they will fuse with each other, then what will happen? There will be the fertilization, और जो egg जो fertilized हुआ, then it will get embedded in the walls of the uterus. Okay, जहाँ पे उसकी further development चलती रहेगी. Clear? Further development means egg fertilized हुआ, then zygote, embryo, fetus, then and complete organism. Okay, when there is the birth of a baby, that is a complete organism. Clear? अब जब ये उसकी वो it will embedded in the wall of uterus, development will be there. But if there is no fertilization, as we have discussed these points, then there will be the egg will shed off with the bleeding. Okay, it is there in female once in about 28 or 30 days. Process है, you can say 4 to 7 days का. It can be 3 days, 4 days, 5, 6, 7. It is not same in every woman. It is different in every woman. Okay. So next part of this. Next part क्या है? How is the sex of a baby is determined? As I tell yesterday also कि when there is the birth of a baby boy or baby girl, clear, it depends on the father. Clear कि baby boy होगा baby girl होगा, it depends on the father, not on a mother. Sometimes when there is no birth of a baby boy in the family, it was the mostly in the old days, then the mother is to blame, the female is to blame for this case that you can't give a boy to us, then there is no use of us, you with us. But it was wrong. Okay, because a man is responsible for this. क्योंकि फीमेल की बॉडी में सिर्फ फीमेल के ही कैरेक्टर्स हैं, XX chromosomes. Okay, while the male body is having XY for both boys and girls. डिपेंड ये करता है कि फीमेल के XX क्रोमोसोम्स के साथ X ने फ्यूज किया या Y ने फ्यूज किया. क्लियर? अगर X ने फ्यूज किया है तो देयर विल बी द XX मींस देयर इज द बर्थ ऑफ अ फीमेल गर्ल, मींस फीमेल चाइल्ड. ओके, इफ देयर इज द फ्यूजन ऑफ द, एज वी नो कि मेल में X और Y दोनों हैं और फीमेल में सिर्फ XX है, फ्यूजन ऑफ XY, देन देयर इज द बर्थ ऑफ अ बेबी बॉय. ओके, लेट अस कम टू दिस पॉइंट. वेदर द बेबी will be a boy or a girl depends on the genes present inside the thread-like structures called chromosomes. Okay, कि जो बेबी है वो बॉय है या गर्ल है, किस पे डिपेंड करता है? जीन्स प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द थ्रेड-लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स. ये क्रोमोसोम्स किसके अंदर प्रेजेंट है? न्यूक्लियस के अंदर. ओके, क्रोमोसोम्स में क्या है? जीन्स है. जीन्स क्या है? The characters which are transferred from parents to the offspring. Okay, जब parents के characters उनके kids में आते हैं, that is known as the genes. और क्रोमोसोम्स क्या है? थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स, दीज आर प्रेजेंट इन द न्यूक्लियस। सो इनमें क्या है? इंफॉर्मेशन है जो पेरेंट्स से ट्रांसफर हो गई उनके बच्चों में। सो द क्रोमोसोम्स आर प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द फर्टिलाइज्ड एग। क्रोमोसोम्स किसके अंदर प्रेजेंट होंगे? जो एग फर्टिलाइज्ड हुआ उसके अंदर। All human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes. You can say 23 pairs of chromosomes or you can say 46. Clear? So 23 pair of chromosomes are there. इनमें से 2 क्या है? 2 है sex chromosomes. 23 थे. 23 was there. Let us just wait for this 1 minute. As I said कि 23 are there. 23 में से 2 23 22 will be same in both boys and girls. 22 boys और girls में सेम होंगे. 23 was there, 22 हो गए, then 1 is left. तो 1 को क्या बोलते हैं? That is known as sex chromosome. Okay, sex chromosome is there. Then what is this complete process? इसमें क्या होगा? As there is the XY for the male, XX for the female. क्लियर? ये भी क्रोमोसोम्स है. अगर हम इनको ऐसे करें तो सेम बात ही है. ओके, XX ये है फीमेल की, ये करेगा इससे और ये करेगा इससे. XX XY. क्लियर? अगर XX यूज हुआ है क्योंकि मेल की बॉडी में दोनों हैं X और Y. क्लियर? और फीमेल के पास सिर्फ XX है, उसके पास सिर्फ फीमेल के कैरेक्टर्स हैं, while male is having the characters of both. If there is a fusion of XX, then there is the child, baby, means girl, sorry, girl child. If there is the XY, then there is the boy child. Clear? So it is just totally false that there is no baby boy in the family. It is the fault of a female. No, it is not the fault of a female. Although no one can be blamed for this, but as we know कि दोनों कैरेक्टर्स किस में हैं? सिर्फ मेल में ही हैं. So a male is to blame for this. Okay, so it all about the sex determination of a baby. Then reproductive health is there in your books. कि जो reproductive health है उसको maintain कैसे करें? Okay, although some points we have discussed earlier also about that food. Okay, reproductive health कैसे maintain हो? That can be maintained many ways are there. Physical exercise. Exercise is the daily routine. It is to be done in daily routine. Okay, by daily routine exercise the body can be fit and healthy. Okay, we should just always be in the contact of the exercise. Just morning walk, evening walk, yoga, exercise, these are to be done on a daily basis. Okay, now next point is that you can say food quality कैसी हो? There is the word balanced diet. Balanced means जिसमें जो डाइट हम खाएं उसमें सब कुछ एक बैलेंस अमाउंट में हो. क्लियर? उसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स भी हों, उसमें फैट्स भी हों, विटामिन्स भी हों, प्रोटीन्स भी हों, एवरीथिंग शुड बी देयर. इफ़ वी आर ईटिंग दाल डेली, अगर हम दाल डेली खाएं, अगर हम इफ़ वी आर ईटिंग पोटैटो डेली, देन वी विल फील के नाउ वी कांट ईट दिस. नो, वी कांट ईट दिस नाउ, समथिंग इज टू बी चेंज्ड. ओके, बट चेंज का मतलब ये नहीं है कि वी शुड ईट द जंक फूड. Okay, junk food eating should not be a habit. Should not be a habit. It is just we can take, it can be taken in 2 or 3 months in once. It should be not the routine of the weekly basis. Okay, so balanced diet means जिस डाइट में एवरीथिंग शुड बी इन द प्रॉपर अमाउंट, प्रॉपर क्वांटिटी जो बॉडी के लिए ज़रूरी है. क्लियर? लाइक सीरियल्स आर देयर, पल्सेस आर देयर, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स आर देयर, एवरीथिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड इन द प्रॉपर अमाउंट. क्लियर? ना ही तो डेली राइस खाने से बॉडी की रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी हो सकती है. एंड इफ वी आर ईटिंग सेम थिंग डेली, इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ, because somewhere we are lacking in the other nutrients for the body. जो बॉडी के लिए ज़रूरी हैं, we are lacking behind in that somewhere. Okay. Next point is say no to drugs. Drugs are not to be taken. Clear? Drugs harm the body. Clear? Whenever there is a starting of any movie, it is written there that drinking and smoking is injurious to health. Yes, it is not written in the vein only. It is just true statement, because these things harm the body. Okay, these affect our lungs. The person can get lung cancer, which is not good. It can cause the death of the person. Tobacco should not be taken. It is not good for health. So many things are there which is to be done daily for the reproductive health. Okay. So I think one more topic is left that we will discuss in the audios only. Nothing is there in that. So the topic is over, chapter is over. Today we will complete in the questions also. Okay. If any doubt is there, you may ask me in the comment section. Okay. Thank you everyone. Watch the video carefully. Okay. Thank you.